Hello, welcome to Farawa. Here I will be going through the steps for making carrot cupcakes with honeysuckle frosting. These are a hearty breakfast or dessert, perfect for a party or a relaxing morning. For the cupcakes you will need 1 1/4 cup flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup light brown sugar, 3/4 tablespoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 3/4 cups canola oil, 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons milk of choice, 1 1/2 cups grated carrots. Optional add-ons like 1/2 cup chocolate chips, 1/3 cup ground nuts, and 1/3 cup dried cranberries. The materials needed are a mixer, whether it be a whisk, manual, or electric, a mixing spoon, a mixing bowl, a cupcake tin with 12 medium-sized molds, cupcake wrappers or nonstick spray, measuring spoons and measuring cups, and a heat source. Preheat your heat source to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Then, in a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix before stirring in the canola oil and eggs. Then stir, mix, or whisk some more. I set aside the eggshells to make into plant food, which I can talk about more in another video. I tried out the manual mixer for the first time, which was a little difficult to control, but I think it worked pretty well. Next, put in the milk and vanilla. Stir, mix, or whisk before washing and shredding the carrots. To get the amount of carrots the recipe calls for, 1 1/2 cups, I think I used about 2 carrots. Lastly, add any extras if you would like, and keep stirring the mixture. Once all of the ingredients have fully combined into a sort of batter, set aside for a moment while you fill a cupcake tin with paper lining. You don't need to use the lining if you don't want to, a nonstick spray should work as well. Once that is done, distribute the batter into molds, filling each 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full, and bake in the oven for 20 minutes. When they are done, take them out and let cool. Now it's time for the frosting. If you don't want to add frosting, they taste just as good as simply muffins, but frosting can turn them into a sweet festive treat. You will need 3 cups powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 8 tablespoons honeysuckle syrup, and a pinch of salt. This will make a lot of frosting, which you can totally use or save for later, but I would recommend halving the amount of each ingredient if you don't plan on using a lot of frosting. Soften the butter with heat before combining all the ingredients in a bowl and mixing and whisking together. I used an electric mixer for this part, and it seemed to work very well. This is a honeysuckle frosting, but lemon, cheesecake, cinnamon, or whatever else you would like will work as well.